Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a page in Squarespace, step by step. Whether you're building a consistent design across your site or just want to reuse a layout that already works, this simple trick can save you tons of time and effort. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. Open your browser, head over to squarespace.com and click the login button at the top right corner. If you usually sign in with Google, click Continue with Google. It's the fastest way to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your website. Click on the one that contains the page you want to duplicate. This will take you to your site's main dashboard, where you can manage all of your content. Now, look at the left-hand panel and click on Pages. Here, you'll find every page on your site organized under sections like Main Navigation, Footer, or Not Linked. Find the page you'd like to copy. Hover over it and you'll see a small gear icon. This is the Page Settings button. Click it, and from the menu that appears, select Duplicate Page. Squarespace will instantly create an exact copy of your page, including all the content, layout, and design elements, and it'll appear right below the original in your list. If prompted, click Confirm to finalize the duplication. Once done, you can rename the new page, move it to a different section, or start editing right away. And that's it. You've just duplicated a page in Squarespace. Super quick, super easy. This is a great way to maintain a consistent look across your website without having to rebuild pages from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Squarespace and website design tips, and drop a comment below if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.